Ready to work your upper body? Well, today I'll be tracking my calories and my heart rate with my Samsung Gear Sport. Let's go. All right, guys, let's get started. I'm gonna begin my workout. Now, let's come down to the floor with our warm-up. And first, we're gonna just start with a push-up walk. All right, so remember, whether you're at home or you're on vacation, you can do this workout, all right? I want you to come down onto your elbows and then up onto your hands here. Now remember, here you can modify it as well. So if you feel like your body weight is a little bit heavy for the shoulder press on the way up, here we're just warming up the shoulder girdle and we're really getting ourselves to kind of push through those hands, getting the chest, shoulders, triceps, everything. Now you can switch directions, come down the other way. So guys, today, you really don't need to worry about if you have weights, great. You can also grab water bottles. Either one is going to work for you today, okay? Because we're not going super heavy. And then we're gonna come down and walk all the way back up onto our feet. Now we're gonna go into a nice reverse fly, okay? So here, I want you bent over, no weights for this one, and we're just gonna work on warming up the back. All right, middle back is so important when you're doing an upper body workout. So pinch those shoulder blades back and bring them together. So today, you guys, it's a really good idea here. Think about staying accountable to your health and fitness. And what I love about this Samsung Gear Sport is that I can track my heart rate, my calories, my steps to live that healthiest life. And it allows me to keep track, right? You can really kind of benefit because you get that nice objective feedback, right? Keep track of your health. Good, pinch and squeeze. One more, nice little extension, good. Shake it out and grab your weights or your water bottles. All right, and we're gonna go into a Travolta. So you're here, you're up at 90 degrees. You're gonna come across your body, down to your hip and up. Just coming across the body and up. Breathing out, up and down. Good, so here we're again working the shoulders, rotator cuff muscles. I'm doing all these warm-ups because we're working the upper body today, right? My heart rate is probably already spiking. And I'm gonna really be able to work on chest, shoulders, back, and really feel good and warm so that we don't strain. That's the most important thing when you're exercising the upper body, is that you give it a good warm up. Not just shoulder circles, sometimes you gotta do a little bit extra. Good, 2 more. Let's go up. You should start to feel a good burn here. Even without weights, I can feel a good burn here. Last one. Boom, awesome job, you guys. So what I wanna do is just shake out the shoulders a second. We're gonna keep those weights in hand and we're gonna stay standing for a nice little first circuit, which is gonna include the triceps and the back and shoulders, a little bit of the lats. So in a nice little bent knee position, I want you to get your elbows up high and you're gonna kick back, right? So it's a nice little tricep extension here, working on the back of the arms. Now, how many of you know that your mothers want those nice triceps? You want the triceps. So it's a good time right now to help your mom keep track of her health and fitness. You can grab her a Samsung Gear Sport so she can track all the heart rate, calories, and steps that she wants to help her keep track of her health and fitness goals, and she can stay connected with you by email, text, all that stuff. Good. Last 2. And we're gonna go into a straight arm extension. So here, yep, shake it out a second. And you're gonna go into that same bent knee position and you're gonna go back, squeeze at the top, and then let it release. So here now, I'm still working triceps, I'm working my back and shoulders, and this is a really good burn, right? So only go up as far as you feel comfortable. Don't strain, don't start to hunch your neck as your arms go up. If your weight's too heavy, drop your weight a little bit and you're breathing out, right? One more. Good, stand, so in between each move, give your legs a little bit of a shake out, your back a little shake. You're gonna feel it in your low back a little bit as well. Now you're bending those elbows, kicking back again. Beautiful. The Gear Sport also makes an awesome gift, you guys, because the bands are interchangeable, so it has different colors to match your different outfits. Good, keep breathing. One more, and we're gonna go into those straight arm extensions. Oh my gosh, it's burning. All right, straight arms. Let's do this. I know your arms are totally burning up like mine. Good. Extend it back. Nice job. Good. Breathe it out. So you should really feel this not only in your shoulders, but also your triceps and a little bit in your lats, right? A lot of us do the pull down moves, and it's important to work those shoulders and back as well. Good. Let's go one more. Bring it up. Awesome. Now you might be feeling it a little bit in your glutes, a little bit in your low back, but that's okay. We're working those muscles as long as your back is straight, right? So go back down, one more set, up to the triceps. And remember, I'm using light weights because we're doing a lot of repetitions here and we're really kind of supersetting it. So I'm not taking really any rest of my triceps, right? Good. Good, breathe it out, you guys. And remember, if you have water bottles, it's gonna be just as effective. And look at this, you can be at home, you can be in a hotel room. I have not left my mat, right? But I bet you my heart rate is kicked up a lot, so I can't wait to check it. Good, keep going, one more. Good, all right, last one with the straight arm. Oh my gosh, it's burning. You're not the only one, here we go. Lift it up, squeeze. Now notice how when I extend my arms, I'm trying to pause at the top. That's really important. That's where you're really gonna feel the arms working. And you're gonna get that nice hold, little isometric burn there. So that you're not just letting them you're not trying to swing them and fling them up, right? You're controlled, bringing it back and forth. One more. Exhale. All right, wow, okay, fried. Let's switch up the routine here. Come down onto the floor. We're gonna go into a combination of a shoulder press with a push-up. So here, I just want you on your knees, okay? If you need a little bit of a towel or a pillow, you can kneel on that, double up your mat maybe. But right here, we're just kind of coming down to the shoulders, up over the head, giving a little kiss at the top. So I'm doing a little bit of that adduction, right? Working the shoulders. Good, breathing it out. Nice job. We're gonna go two more here, and then we're gonna combine this with a nice little wide grip push-up to start. So set it down, walk out into your push-up position. Keep your arms pretty wide for this one, and you're going down and up for the push-up. So remember, exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Go at your own pace, right? You're working shoulders, you're working chest, you're working back. And if you can get all the way to the floor, man, are you getting an awesome range of motion through the chest and shoulders. Good, walk it back, grab your weights, go back for your shoulder press. So your arms should be on fire right now. You're doing awesome. Don't give up. Remember, this is a short workout, so you're gonna really maximize your time here. There's not a lot of rest. Keep your engagement in the core. Nice straight back. Good, one more. Press, drop it down, walk it out. Now I want you to go with a narrow grip push-up. So keep your elbows in tight. Now your triceps are already really worked, right? So this is gonna be a little harder. I'm on my knees though, getting a lot of reps in. I'm trying to keep the pace consistent, right? So just keep working through it. Breathe, give me one more, and then we're gonna come up for our last set. Press it out, oh, good, walk it in, grab your weights. Oh, how are you doing? How's your heart rate? Is it spiked? Mine certainly is. I'm breathing heavy. And just a quick little short arm circuit. We are working almost every muscle in the upper body. All right, so really squeeze those weights. Keep your arms engaged, you're doing great. Breathing it out. That's it. Last one. Good, now wide grip push-ups again. Walk it out, go wide. Oh my gosh, my arms are about to fall off. You guys, they are burning so good. This is such an awesome routine that you can get in anytime. If you need that quick arm burn, if you're getting into one of those nice summer dresses or crop tops, breathe. One more, because I think that's all we have. Good, and walk it back. Awesome job with that. Now, please stick with me for just a quick little stretch, right? So definitely triceps and shoulders. So let's take our arms, one arm across the body, and let's just do a good shoulder release here. Also catching our breath, right? Let it come down nice and easy. Breathe. Take that nice deep breath. I loved, oh my gosh, yeah, my heart rate is at 107. So that's almost like doing a cardio workout, right? So I hope you guys also got to track your heart rate. Breathe. Now we're gonna go into a tricep extension here. Open it up, tricep, really big stretch. So here, I'm trying to reach my hand back to the middle of my spine so I really get the extension. Then I'm giving it a little bit of a pull. Other side, this feels so good right now. I love it. Good, and extending, awesome. Breathing it out, now my heart rate is coming down a little bit. Good, last one we're gonna do is a nice shoulder stretch. So heart rate is still up there at 108. I almost burned over 50 calories here with just a nice quick upper body circuit, right? So here we go, stretch out that chest, open it up nice and open, bring it open, roll those shoulder blades back, feel that nice stretch. Oh, you guys, awesome job. Keep up the good work, keep tracking your progress. Let me know what your heart rate was during that workout or how you liked that one. I'll see you next time.